look, SHIELD is the short form for Smart Handheld Intelligent Embedded Locating Device. The main component in these are pepper spray module that is used for pepper ejection and location finder to find the location of the user in case of emergencies. It has both hardware and software design, where the hardware deals with the location section module, pepper spray module and heart rate monitoring. Also display the functions of the module, and the software app facilitates functions like GPS coder to find the GPS coordinate and find the exact location of the user, database module which acts as an evidence locker file which is highly secure, and alert message to send the emergency alert to the emergency contacts, registering complaint portal which is easy to file an FIR to NGOs and women safety organizations, hospital and ambulance finder in case of emergencies.
Here the TI components being used are CC2640R2 wireless MCU and Boost XL sensors, and the non-TI components being used are solenoid gas valves and pepper spray.
This is our prototype of the smartwatch, which has OLED screen on top and TI microcontroller with LeapBook battery and pepper spray gun on bottom. Here we have shown demo for manual button controlled pepper spray module with smartwatch beside. This is the smart call and message notification listener feature of our SHIELD smartwatch. Also during Corona times, we improvise the watch with wash your hand reminder feature. This is our fake call feature of SHIELD app, which will generate fake calls in case of emergency. This is demo of Direct FIR portal for women, which directly connects to FIR lodging site of government. This is the demo for Evidence Locker, which will keep photos and videos in the local database as well as cloud database for easy retrieval.
Products present in security domain are solely made for the security purpose, and they are bulky and have to be carried separately. As you know, pepper spray usually comes in aluminum canisters, and people generally compromise and do not buy that extra load. As nowadays, wearable technology industry is booming, and integrating security systems and smartwatch can bring new possibilities to both the domains. Hence, automatic hand gesture controlled pepper spray with smartwatch can be a breakthrough in both the market. Our smartwatch SHIELD has mobile application, smartwatch and an embedded pepper spray, which includes both smart wearable technology as well as personal security.